my god, it's my Onewheel. Thank you.
Mr. Dagenet, I just need you to sign the... Hello, Mr. Dagenet. Hello, I need you to sign this.
Alright, so we finally got the pint. After 4 months of waiting, I finally get this in the mail. And I still don't have everything that I bought for it, so I'm still waiting for a couple parts. But that's okay, I guess. But we got the main. I don't know if you can see, but the wheel is like brand new. Never been on pavement yet. So let's do it. Okay guys, so I'm about to try it, and I'm gonna leave you guys 5 seconds to pause the video and leave a comment down below if you think I'm gonna eat it or not. There's some random guy. So there we go. First time on a Onewheel and starting out on a pint. I know they say to have a friend help you out, but I don't feel like doing that. Okay. Nice. Ugh. Had a bit of trouble with simple stuff there. That was, wow. It's harder than I thought. And I used to be really good at skateboarding. So there you go. I did it. I didn't even eat it. And so far, I like it. Let's do it again. Oh. I don't know what happened there. Getting the hang of this pretty quick. Whoa. Alright, there's my first little bail. There's a scratch already. I wish I had my rail guards right now. I'm gonna be pulling out my 360 camera and getting some better footage.